Welcome to the online classes of Dipol School Josipur. Today we will read about SST of class 3. So this is your book Prachi Excellence in Social Studies 3. So all of you come to page 34. In the previous class we started a new lesson, that is lesson 5. We need air and water. So in the last class we discussed about why do we need air and what are the components which are present in the air and how to get fresh air. But let us see today how our atmosphere and air is getting polluted nowadays. So you see in this picture one man is cutting the tree. So these are the activities by which we make our air dirty or polluted, you can say. So some activities which make the air dirty are, you see, burning of garbage in open space. When we burn the garbage, the household garbage which we have collected from the our house, and when this garbage from the dustbin is dumped in somewhere else, then when we burn it in the open space, this the carbon dioxide after burning the garbage make the air dirty. And bursting of crackers. Now we have seen that in many functions like you can say marriage ceremonies and other festivals, many of the people they burst crackers, which also cause a harm to the air. Cutting more trees. When we cut more trees, we harm the atmosphere. How? Because trees are the only source of oxygen which we need uh, in plenty. Okay, the oxygen is the first and foremost thing for the human being and for animals also, which is the first and foremost thing which is needed in plenty. So when we cut trees, we reduce the sources from which we get oxygen. So in this way, vehicle emissions. Nowadays we have seen that many vehicles are running on the road, starting from two wheelers to four wheelers, 10 wheelers, 14 wheelers, and many more. And when these vehicles are used without any reason, they also emit the carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide make the air dirty. So in this way, so we have to minimize all these activities which harm our atmosphere to the minimum level. Burning of coal also is also a cause. So when we burn coal, the carbon dioxide coming out from the burning of coal also make the air dirty. So in this way, these are the some of the points, some of the activities are given, which is burning of garbage in open space, bursting of crackers, cutting more trees, vehicle emission, burning of coal. These are the activities, and these are the activities by which our atmosphere, our you can say environment, and the air, all these things are getting polluted. So if we want to reduce the pollution of air, then we have to minimize these five activities, 1 2 3 4 5 activities, and these activities should be done at a minimum level, minimum to minimum level. Okay, so now let us see why do we need water. The previous topic was about the need of air. Now let us see why do we need water. So water is clear, colorless, tasteless liquid that we need to drink. So this is this water. This is, as it is mentioned, it is clear, it is colorless, it has no color, it has no taste, so it is also tasteless. So this clear, colorless, and tasteless liquid that we need every day to drink is called water. Okay, and not only the human beings but all the living creatures also need water. So it is not it will not be right to say that we only need water, because all the living beings, those whoever is living on the earth, whoever is alive on the earth, needs water. Without water, none of us can live here on this earth. So water is very important for all of us, and not only for drinking purpose, and the first and foremost need is drinking, but some other needs are also there. You see in the picture, one child is bathing, here mother is cleaning the clothes, one child is drinking, here mother is cooking food. So these are the activities for which we all need water, mainly for drinking, washing, bathing, cooking, cleaning, etc. So these are the things, these are the purposes for which we need water. Plants and trees also need water to grow. Okay, so when we are what is called planting a tree, a small baby plant in the soil, if we don't give water to it each and every day, at least twice in a day, it cannot survive, it will die. That is why it is proved that plants and trees also need water to grow. We cannot imagine our life without water. Okay, so that is why as we use the water for various purposes in our life, daily life. Okay, that is why it will be impossible for a single human being to live on the earth without water. Now let us see different forms of water. So water is there in three forms in the whole atmosphere of our earth. Okay, one is liquid, one is solid, one is gas. So how it is solid? So children, most of you have seen ice what is called inside your fridge. Okay, so when we open the fridge, in the ice chamber we get some ice. Okay, so these blocks are known as ice blocks, eh? And this is the form, this is also water, but this is in solid state. Okay, so it is called solid state because it is hard to touch. Okay, the piece of ice is very hard to touch, that is why it is in the solid form. But when the solid ice melts, when it melts down, it becomes water, it becomes in the form of water, and it is known as liquid form. But when we put the water on the in a bowl and heat it, it will be vaporized. Vapors will be coming out from the boiling water, we can see. Okay, these vapors are known as gaseous form of water. So in this way water has three forms. One is liquid or water, second one is solid or ice, third form is gaseous form or water vapor or steam, you can say. So in this way water has three forms. One is liquid, second one is solid, third one is gaseous. So this much for today. In the next class we will study about different forms of water in our atmosphere, how the water is used by our atmosphere in different forms, and how the water cycle is being done. Okay, this much for today. Thank you.